Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Shanice and welcome to Simply Niqua. So for today's video, I'm going to try out this Brush On a Gel Kiss product. I'm going to try out this one specifically. So if you want to know my whole process and my opinions and what I thought about it after I get done with it, go ahead, sit back, relax, and continue watching. But before you do continue watch, go down below and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already, and also give me a like throughout the video. But other than that, let's get started with this video.
And I can't wait so we can break apart.
So today's video, I decided to actually try out a nail product than making a nail design tutorial. So I picked up a Brush On Gel nail kit from the Kiss brand, and this should be a easy beginner type of product. They should have everything that you need in this one little kit already. So it says right here on the box, it's the Brush On Gel nail kit, and there's many ways to wear it: French, DIY color, DIY design. There is a 48 short nail tips in here. There's so many nails that you can do 2 full manicures, and it's easy application, dries in 5 minutes, and there's no lamp needed. So that's even great for beginners and just something quick to do at home. So I'm excited to try this. And then on the back it says great for beginners, mistake proof application, and the quickest soak off time. So let's see what's inside. So when you open it up, you have the Brush On Gel here, and then you have the activator, the brush on activator, and then you have the brush cleaner that you'll need. Then you have the nails. And this kit comes with 2 types of nail tips. So you have more of a pure white and more of like an off-white nail tips. So today I'm going to try and do the off-white nail tips. Also within this box there was a cuticle pusher to push down your cuticles, and a nice big file that is always in these type of products. And of course the instructions was in the kit as well. So to begin with this nail kit, to begin with this whole process, you're gonna need to prepare your nails, have some nail preparation, and which I did that off camera. But you're gonna want to push back your cuticles with that cuticle manicure stick, trim and file down your nails. But I'm just going to see how this product does on top of my natural nails. I have a little bit of length on these nails, so hopefully that's not too bad or makes a difference into the product. But you're supposed to trim and file down your nails, and then you want to lightly buff the surface of your nails to get rid of that shine that you have on your nails. With that file, you want to just buff down the nails just a little bit, not too much at all. And then you also want to apply just a little bit of nail polish remover on top. And I already have this soak off gel polish pH bond nail prep from Jealous brand, so I applied this on top of my nails as well, since I had it, to give it a full like prep to start this. So the first thing that you need to do from the instructions is to,
you're so hard to read, it's like you're tangled in the lies. You tell me
select the correct size for each nail, and I selected mine beforehand. And then also you can trim up the sides if you need to make sure there's a perfect fit for your nails. Next, you want to apply the Brush On Gel to the back welt area of the nail tip. Then slowly lower the tip onto the natural nail. Hold firmly until set, which only takes a couple minutes, and then repeat this for all the nails.
what happened to living like forever young? Seems like we're living in a nightmare. Is this just
Which in your case, if you do this, you do it for all 10 nails, but I'm just going to do one side, so I just did my 5 nails. And then the next step is to blend the tip with the natural nail. Apply and hold wet brush from the brush cleaner along the seam of each tip. Next, lightly buff the seam, very lightly, or it's going to really mess up that tip, and don't file too much, but just enough to really blend it. I didn't really think I need to file it. That brush cleaner stuff really kind of melts in and made it really look natural, so I didn't think I had to really like file it down any. And then the last step of applying these nail tips to your nails is just remove that little tab at the top. Don't twist it off, just all that, and then just wipe off the dust from your nails. So that's just like the little plain boring applying the nail tips onto your nails. All fun, very easy, very simple, and very quick. So the next steps are the gel application process. So with all of this gel application, you're going to make sure to keep any of the products away from the skin area and keep it away from your cuticle area. So as doing so, you want to apply an even layer of the brush on gel on one nail, because you want to go one nail at a time, and you just brush it on like you do regular polish. And then next, while it's wet, over that wet gel, you're going to want to use the brush from the brush cleaner and dip it into the activator one, and then you want to apply a thin coat of activator over the wet gel as you would apply polish. You want to then wipe that brush that you dipped into the activator onto a paper towel and then return it to the brush cleaner to keep it clean. And then you want to repeat these steps for all 10 nails. I will say this brush on gel stuff that we used at the beginning smells a lot like the nail glue that I use all of the time with all my other nail tutorials. It just smells like some nail glue. I don't know if that's how it always smells, that how it should smell, or just how this product is. So that's what I see for right now with this whole process. So the next thing you need to do is apply a second layer to all of your nails again. So you're going to want to repeat all the steps that you did on all the nails again. So at the end of it, you're going to have 2 layers of everything onto these nails. And then the last step, all you have to do is, after all the 10 nails are completed and finished with the thin layer of the brush on gel, all you have to do is apply the brush on gel product as like a top coat. So you're going to apply that brush on gel stuff again and just apply it right on top of the nail, just like a top coat that you would do at the end of any nail tutorial. And then technically you're all finished and done with this gel product here, and the whole gel process is finished. Very easy, very quick. And so now at this point you can go ahead and apply coat and nail polish. You can make a cute little design, or just leave it how this is right now, have like that French manicure look. But you know me, I can't go simple and boring, so I'm going to make these nails cute. So in 3, 2, 1, bam! My nails are done and pretty, and they look good, and I just did something very quick and I thought that looked cute for the moment. So this is what my nails look like, all finished and colored as well. So wasn't that process very easy and simple and quick? Yes, yes, yes. So what are my final thoughts of this Kiss product of the brush on gel? So I think this whole process was really easy and simple and quick, and it was great to do at home. The instructions were point blank and period, and I understand it all and I got it, and like I said, it was easy. Now some of the cons that I thought from this product. So after I've put all like my design on top of my nails and kind of see like where the nail tip is onto your nail, like you can tell there's a tip on your nail that's like a hump at the tip of the nail. I think I kind of got some footage of it, but it's not very smooth and even, or have like that nice like nail curve as it should be. That's nice and seamless. You can tell that it's your nail bed and then like a nail tip on, which I don't particularly like. That's kind of like my only dislike. I feel like I need like some more layers on top of my nail bed to kind of match the height of what the nail tip is at. I don't know if that hump that I'm referring to is because I left like my natural nails underneath and it just makes that rise a little bit, but it could be my error. I'm just telling you my experience, what I'm going through right now with my nails. The length is definitely not bad at all. I'm used to a little bit longer, but this is lovely. I like the length really a lot. I really like how they give you 2 different options of color tips. If you don't want to paint over top of them, you are golden. So would I repurchase this product? all seriousness, I probably won't. I have some more tips that I can use to see if my theories are right and trying to really follow down my natural nails to see if that's the problem with what I'm going through right now, of this little hump I'm referring to. I don't necessarily like this Kiss Gel brush product if it's gonna have this like uneven like hump situation onto my nails and makes it look a little weird. I just don't like that, but I do really love the quickness, the easiness, the no-brainerness of this product, and that I would recommend if you want to try and jump into this brush on nail product. It definitely didn't cost as much, and I would recommend you to get this if you want to give it a try yourself and see how things go. So this is what my thoughts of this Kiss product, the brush on gel nail kit. I want to this year to really try and expand my nail techniques and try other nail products, especially like these other gel and acrylic stuff on my channel. So I'm really excited to try these new things and to try to expand my nail knowledge. So if you want to get on this bandwagon, go down below and subscribe to my YouTube channel so you won't miss out. And if you haven't already and you like this video, go down below and give me a like. But other than that, Happy New Year. It's a great new year, so let's make it great. You never know what's gonna happen in this year. But other than that, I'll catch you back next week with another awesome video, y'all. Bye.